Hello! In this guide I will show you how Master plugin can help you in your daily work. It has two main features. First, Master allows you to work with regular objects and turn them into components only when you need to. I have a list of zones here, and the zones are regular frames. They have similar structures, so it would be wise to turn them into component instances now. I can do it in one click with Master. Go to Plugins, Master, and create component from objects. The plugin created a new component based on the selected items and turned them into its instances. As you can see, all overrides such as texts and icons were saved. This feels a bit magical, to be honest. That was the first main feature, being able to create a component from anything. Instead of creating a new component, Master can also attach objects to an existing one. There are three frames and a component that looks similar. The component already has three instances, so I don't want to simply create a new component from the frames. Instead, I want to link them to this component. First, I need to tell Master plugin which component I want to link objects to. To do that, I select the component and run pick target component command. Now that the target is set, let's select the frames and run link objects to target component. The frames became instances of the target component, and of course all overrides like texts and images were saved. To sum up, Master allows you to turn anything into component instances, and you can either link objects to an existing component or create a new one. So far I showed it working only with frames, but using it with instances can be super helpful too. Here are some examples to give you an idea. In this example, I'm using one component for both screens, Discover View and Artist page. However, I would like to change the component on the second screen without touching the first one. As you can see, there is an artist name in this component, and this is a bit redundant on the artist page. To clone the component, I can just select instances together with their main component. Then I simply create component from objects using Master. That's it! Now you can edit the copied component and the changes will be reflected in its instances. Opposite to cloning, sometimes you want to turn two similar components into one, merge them together. If you just swap instances with default functionality, you will lose all those precious overrides like images, icons, and colors. Master to the rescue! Pick the target component that you want to keep. Then select instances of the component you want to discard and link them to the target component. Now all instances are linked to one component, and it's safe to delete the extra one. Now here is a tricky problem. How do I move main component to a different file and keep all instances attached? Figma doesn't allow us to do that at all, yet. But Master can help. Copy the component to the library file and publish it. Oh yeah, I should have said that it's only possible in teams on professional education and org plans. Publishing the component is the key part. We will need to attach instances from the previous file to this component in the library, so save it to Master using pick target component command. Let's go back to the previous file and swap instances of the local component to the library component. We can select them and link, but Master can automate this. Since we want to swap all instances of one component in the file, we can just select that component and swap it. Master automatically finds all its instances in the file and links them to the target component. And this component can be safely deleted now. Lastly, if you want to simply swap a component, you can do it in three different ways, one using Master. I'll let you explore this one yourself. You'll find more info on it on the Master plugin guide, dominate.design/guide. In essence, with master you are saving all overrides, but with default methods it can be faster sometimes. So pick the method depending on your specific case. I really hope this video helped you understand how you can make working with components in Figma a bit more fluid. You can try Master for free, and if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching!